welcome back. In this video I have a very nice monitor, Dell U2715hc, and this monitor comes with the height adjustable stand. I will assemble the stand in a second, so those who need to, you can watch. And this monitor has a very nice feature: HDMI display, mini display, and lots of USB port on that. And the screen is very good condition. This is the stand is come with it, and it's height adjustable, and the monitor can rotate as well. You can, if you want to rotate. So in order to assemble the base stand, base from the stand will align to the and we will be able to screw in. That's how you align with the 4 screw. Altogether you need to screw in 4 screws. Then base plate will be set up with the height adjustment. That's done. We attach the base plate. I will put in a monitor. And now if you want to, you can rotate the screen as you want it. So thank you very much for watching this video.